Welcome back to Lake Lot Build. My name is John, and today we are going to get my countertop. So, Signature Interior Expressions, wonderful company. The guys just arrived, so we are going to go in, meet the guys, and go over how do you put on your countertop your IKEA cabinets. So, come with me. So, I'm here with my installers, and I'm here with Chris and Austin. All right, so Austin, talk to us about what I have done here, and is this the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it?
This is the right way to do it because these cabinets are kind of brittle due to the face frame. There's a little metal bracket that attaches for the face frame to close. And so you re-strengthen that, putting this board here, and then putting these steel corbels in. And so once we get the piece in, we can silicone it all the way around, and it's going to be one solid piece and be good to go.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
All righty. Okay, you heard it. So our next step now is they're going to bring in the Big Daddy. So we got the sink over here, and then they're going to bring in the countertop, and we're going to set it. So here we go. All right, here it comes. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Oh, and it's huge. You guys good? Yeah. Okay. Just remember the step up there as you come back right there. Okay. I'm going to turn these lights on.
You good? Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I hate to say it, but that is just gorgeous. My measurements right?
Yeah.
I think it fits. Okay, the company that we got this from is Interior, or Signature, right? Signature Interior Design. And where are you guys out of?
Neosho, Missouri.
Neosho, Missouri. And let's take a look while they're doing the cleanup around there. We'll start doing all the caulking and all that. Let's take a look at the top of this guy. So right now, it is a little bit, what would you call this? Like almost like a matte finish?
Yes.
And so the matte finish will get shinier and shinier the more you touch it, and it becomes super, super glossy. So right now, while they're doing that, so while these guys are working on the top, I'm going to go down below and show you our pieces of metal that we have made. And these is by Deville Steel. John over at Deville Steel, this guy can work magic. And Lance, he's in the office. Lance is the one, if you remember back a few episodes, we did the coping and the railing upstairs. Same company that did both of these. Well, I've used them also for the spiral staircase. So if you guys live anywhere around Springfield, Missouri, you need any sort of metal work, Deville Steel is the place to go. I'm telling you, it is wonderful. Okay, so walk us through. You have it clamped to the.
Clamped, and we're making brackets for the bottom to hold the sink up underneath there. We siliconed it.
Okay.
It's good to go. We're gonna clamp it up and caulk it in one more time.
Excellent. Oh, that's looking good.
Just moving around a little bit.
Okay. Okay, so now what kind of faucet are we gonna put in this guy? So let's go over here and I'll show you the faucet that goes into it. Got this from Wayfair. It is a black faucet. It has the spring on it. Here's the little gun at the bottom of it. Connection, all the pieces come with it. That's how it'll connect up underneath there. Hot and cold, all that stuff. Pretty simple. Okay, so what are the advantages of having solid surface countertop?
Well, solid surface, you can break it or something and it can be fixed. So on itself, you can take a piece off the bottom and repair the top. You never know. A granite or anything else, you gotta throw it away and get a new piece. So it's a big difference.
So you can literally cut a piece out of the bottom here.
Yes, the color matches
Right in here
the top.
that's color matched.
Yep.
And so let's say we got, I don't know, something's happened here. You can literally just cut that out,
Yes.
put a new one in, and then finish it out and you would never even know it was
Yeah, you
different.
wouldn't even know it was in there. That's the difference with that. It's just a simple difference, really.
Okay, I'm a real fan. I'm a huge fan of this. I was a little skeptical because, you know, the old days of solid surface. But you guys, this looks like quartz. I cannot believe it.
Yeah.
And just like that, they're gone. It was that fast. So, the sink is set. It's drying. I will do the install of the other stuff in the morning. And then we'll probably go over how I want to finish this edge from there to there, right? Because I have my metal bar for this cantilever because I didn't want the, whatever you call that, the little triangle piece, you know, that you'd always bang your knee on those. So I did a cantilever. So I'm gonna have to make some trim and I'll probably do it in black. And so anywhere that is just metal, I'll probably make like an angle piece here so you don't scratch your knee on the edge of that. And I might just paint that black just to make it go away. And maybe I'll just paint these black. So we'll see. I'm gonna do a little experimenting on it and see what happens to see how it turns out. Sweetheart.
Well, hi there. Don't you hate it when they do that? Like an infomercial. Well, hi there. How are you? Welcome to our home.
Now that it's been one day and the sink is hooked up, what do you think?
I absolutely love it. We can't keep our hands off of it. It's absolutely beautiful. Obviously it's made the kitchen usable because you need a sink, you need, you know, a dishwasher, you need the countertop. I'm so happy with it. I love the look. I'm really glad we picked this style. This style looks like quartz, right? So it's got the little flecks of what looks like mica. It's got very natural movement. Unlike laminate, I don't find a repeating pattern. Everywhere you see, you know, what would be a pattern, there are no repeats, and this is 11 foot long. So I'm just really, really happy with the way it turned out. Quite inexpensive and much lighter weight. So this slab was $1,500. That was with installation, with the sink cut. And, you know, a slab of quartz would be what, 4,000, 4,500, something like that maybe? So really happy with the way it turned out. Hey, thank you guys for joining us. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how our countertops came out and seeing the whole process and installation. We'll see you next time. Bye.